Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to draw the cutest bunny holding an Easter egg. First, we're going to start with the ears. I'm going to draw a long upside down U for the ear. And now inside, we're going to draw another upside down U but smaller. Now we're going to do the second ear. Now I'm going to add a line to connect the two ears. Now for our bunny's head, we're going to draw two curves and leave some space, don't connect them. Now I'm going to draw the top of the Easter egg. Make a curve like this. Now I'm going to draw the bunny's face. I'm going to draw two big circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to add two smaller circles and a curve in each eye. Now I'm going to color in the bigger circle, leaving the two smaller circles and the curve white. I'm going to draw a cute little nose for our Easter bunny like this. Now I'm going to add a little dot underneath the nose. Make two curves on each side of the dot and a smaller curve in the middle for the mouth. Now I'm going to add two smaller lines above the eyes for the eyebrows. Now I'm going to add two small lashes on each side for extra cuteness. Now I'm going to draw two ovals on each side of the curve for the paws. Now let's add two curves on each side for the bunny's body. Now we're going to leave some space and draw two bigger ovals for the paws. Now let's connect our front paw with our back paw with two lines on each side. Let's add some details to our bunny's paws for extra cuteness. Now I'm going to draw a curve connecting two paws. Now let's add three little lines to each paw. Now I'm going to decorate the Easter egg. You can decorate your Easter egg the way you like. You can do stripes, polka dots, and even zigzag lines. I'm going to do some lines, zigzag lines, and a heart in the middle. If you need more time to decorate, you can pause this video. But if you're ready, let's color. I hope you enjoyed drawing the Easter bunny with me. If you want to see more of our videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Happy Easter. See you soon.